Yo, welcome back to a new video, guys. What's up? So today I'm gonna be installing a new Accessport mount. What? If you saw in that little edit, this thing is the little window vent that goes by the mirror. There's a air vent there, and this is a little replacement one. It's pretty cool. It's 3D printed. It looks really cool with the 3D print like design on it. It's like reflective, it has like texturing on it. These are all the pieces that are included in the package. This doesn't come in the package. This is the Accessport mount that connects to the Accessport. It's like a holster, and it should work really great. I think that this is a really affordable item for you guys, and that's worth getting if you guys are tired of getting double-sided tape sticking a mount on somewhere random, and it's not worth it. So I think this is a good way to go. So when I was talking about the little window with the air vent, replacing this one right here. Look at that. Now with this Accessport, I have a pop socket on the back side of it. Like this. Cheap little pop socket mount that I have right here. It does just slide into place like this. Like that. It's kind of annoying because when I'm driving and I look over, it's angled like this way. When it's not angled this way, it's that way. And I try to do it and it just like slouches down. And it's like impossible to get it to angle towards me. Plugged in. It's all like tweaked right here, and I don't really like that. This spot that I have for it, I'm not the biggest fan, so that's why I got this. Pull this out. Pull it out. It's a simple vent. Pretty cool. Now it's gonna leave this exposing hole. So I'm gonna get this piece, and this is the piece that I will be using down here. Tiny little nuts, right? Put them into place. And they don't fall out. Well, at least I hope it doesn't fall out when you put it upside down. One thing that I find really satisfied with these 3D printed mounts, or just anything 3D printed, just how perfect fitment is. Like that just fits right in. It's so nice. And even more satisfying, I know it's supposed to fit regardless, but just look at this. Oh, so satisfying. I don't know why, but that's just so satisfying. I'm gonna bolt these up together and leave it slightly loose so I can wiggle it into space so then the mount can fit. So I'm gonna do that real quick. So what I'm doing, I'm screwing it in like this, leaving it slightly loose. And what's awesome is that in this kit comes with an Allen key as well, and it's going to be using these Allen key bolts, or Allen bolts, with the hexagon screw little device that we got here. High quality little mechanism to hold the Accessport. So I'm going to screw it all in real quick and show you from there. Okay, so make sure that you put the bolts in all the way, because I just lost a nut. The smartest distribution through tightening it would be those two corners, so I'm gonna do that. Kind of bummed I lost a screw. I think it went down my AC vent hole, so kind of screwed, but I'm good. Still good. Alright, so I finally just got this in. I finally got the mount in, and honestly it looks really nice. Very flush. I love how it's super flush. The lines are just perfect. I'll give it a little pull, and it's pretty sturdy in there. It's really sturdy. There is a correct way to install it, and I wasn't exactly installing it the correct way. That's why it took me a little bit to install, but honestly, the way you do it, you keep these bolts loose. Make sure they're not too loose so you don't lose a bolt, but somewhat loose. And with this vent, you kind of slide it below. This is inside this vent housing, so you go inside with this as well. When this is inside, you can make the bottom mount connect under and have it fully contact below this outer lining, and then you could slowly slide this top vent back up while keeping the lower mount under the lining. And then you place it down, and you'll know when it's placed correctly, because then it won't like open up and stuff. And then you just screw in these bolts, and you're all set, honestly. So, now that I got this mounted, got this piece of crap. And look at that. Double-sided tape leaves these nasty things behind. So why not get a legit mount and get the dialed mounts instead of using these double-sided tape pop socket mounts that don't even work, basically. I get this little good old holster. They have these at COBB on their website, like 20 bucks, so don't lose them if you ever get one. I just realized the Accessport's magnetic. That's so cool. I'm gonna basically put the prongs that it has right there and place them in the back and slide it in place. I believe that's how it's supposed to be done. Just like that. And that's honestly so much nicer. Instead of looking at this and it's pointing this way, this is pointing towards you. But yeah, this thing, it's super easy to put in, and then it's super easy to take out. So I really like this thing. This thing is awesome. And where I bought this Accessport mount, it's a dialed mount. I bought it from the AP guys. I'll put their link in the description below. Their Instagram account's right here. But honestly guys, if you guys are even planning on buying an Accessport, these are the guys to go to. They sell verified, unmarried Accessports. They will not scam you. They sell you basically brand new Accessports for your car. They're finding new Accessports every day to put on their websites, and they're trusted. And they also have these cool little things that they sell on their website, such as these mounts. And if you guys are planning on getting one of those with an Accessport, definitely hit these guys up. Thanks for watching today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. This mount is very awesome. It's a very straightforward install. Like always guys, keep doing what you want to do. Be motivated to keep doing what you want to do and accomplish your goals, and just know that the risk takes it all. Until next time, stay positive and be so positive. Peace out. Oh my god guys, look what I just found.